Welcome inside one of the world's largest ethanol manufacturing facilities. Today, we will follow the complete fuel for vehicles across India and worldwide. The process begins with thousands of tons of sugarcane arriving at the factory. Every load is inspected to ensure the highest quality before entering production. Powerful industrial crushers extract sugar-rich juice from the sugarcane. This sugary liquid becomes the foundation for ethanol production. The sugar solution enters giant fermentation tanks. Special yeast converts sugar into alcohol, creating the ethanol needed for fuel. Millions of yeast cells work continuously. Advanced monitoring systems ensure maximum efficiency. The fermented liquid is transferred to giant distillation columns. Heat separates ethanol from water and other components. Advanced purification technology removes remaining impurities, producing high-quality fuel-grade ethanol ready for use.
Every batch undergoes strict quality testing to meet fuel standards and ensure reliable performance in vehicles.
The finished ethanol is stored inside massive tanks, capable of holding millions of liters of renewable fuel. Specialized tanker trucks are loaded with ethanol and prepared for transportation across the country. At fuel terminals, ethanol is blended with petrol, creating cleaner-burning fuel used by millions of vehicles. From sugarcane fields to vehicle fuel, ethanol is becoming an important alternative to petrol and diesel, helping power transportation in India and around the world.